In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Gmail with Make. We'll start at make.com, the visual automation platform. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new scenario. A scenario is simply a canvas where your workflow lives. Something happens, and then Make does something in response. On the blank canvas, click the big plus to add your first module. In the search bar, type Gmail and choose it from the list. This first module will be your trigger, the event that starts the automation. If you want Make to react to every new message that arrives, pick Watch Emails. If you want to narrow it down to messages with a specific label you already use in Gmail, choose Watch Labeled Emails. Either way, the idea is the same. The trigger listens for new mail that matches your choice. If you select the labeled option, make sure the label already exists in Gmail. It's a simple way to reduce noise and focus on what matters. Before the trigger can work, connect your Gmail account. Click Add Connection. A secure Google window opens. Sign into your account and review the permissions so Make can read the messages required by your trigger. When you're comfortable, click Allow to finish the connection. You'll be brought back to Make with that connection selected and ready to go. Next, add the app or action module that should run after the email arrives. This is where you define what happens with the data. You might create a task, store details in a spreadsheet, send a formatted reply, or route the message somewhere else. The key is that the action receives fields from the Gmail trigger, like subject, sender, or body, so you can map them into the places you need, keeping your workflow clean and consistent. With the trigger and action in place, it's time to test. Use the Run Once button to execute the scenario with a real example, such as a recent message that fits your trigger. For a reliable check, send yourself a quick test email that clearly matches your criteria, then watch the output to confirm each field appears as expected. If something looks off, adjust the trigger settings or your field mapping and test again until the result is correct. The logs and output details help you pinpoint exactly where changes are needed. When you're satisfied, turn scheduling on so the scenario runs automatically. Choose a frequency that fits your needs, and remember, you can pause scheduling anytime. From here on, the scenario monitors your Gmail in the background and fires the action whenever matches appear, even if your browser is closed. That's it. Your Gmail automation is live, hands-off, and ready to save you time.